Oh, hey, Rose family, I didn't see you there. You like your boy with the new cut? You're in the house, you know. Hey, for free, you know, go ahead and hit my dad up. You know, hear the picture of him right here, boom. But I have this announcement before the video. You know, we're gonna get started. Go ahead, bump to it. But I have noticed a lot of you guys, you right there, one on the screen, have failed to like and subscribe to our videos. Like, do you not care? Are you not part of this family? Because I think you're part of this family. Okay? You're part of this family. So you gotta like and subscribe, bro. Like, on everything I love. Like, if it's not, we gonna get to it. You hear me? No, I'm playing, guys. I'm playing. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video so you don't miss our content. Come on, guys. How you gonna be part of the family and not even subscribe to us? I had one video, the one right here, had 880 somewhat views, but only 12 likes. What sense does that make? Huh? What? So I believe you guys can do a lot better than that. So please do not forget to like and subscribe, and do not also forget to share the video to your friends, your family, your grandma, your dog, your hamster, your bunny, anybody. I don't care. Just share it, motherfucker. You heard me? All right, let's get to the video.
The next day.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing? We going to the lake today. Scared my sister, scared her. How's everybody doing today?
Good. Great. Can we start doing so we can get there before?
She's in a rush. Wants a whole day thing. We'll probably be there for 2 hours max.
No, I want it to be a
She gonna get sunburned.
do a whole day.
She gonna get sunburned and wanna go home.
I brought sunscreen for her.
You should have brought the umbrella.
No, bro, you gotta get one that put in the ground.
I know. We have to find one that has a stake at the end. Like a beach umbrella.
Beach umbrella.
We have
Boy, how y'all doing? I got me and my ladies right here. My sister, my baby. We over here starting our 4th of July weekend at the creek. You already know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got our food right here. And I also bought this new little tripod and everything. And I already broke it. It had a little light attachment right to the side of it. You can't see it, of course. But yeah, I broke it. Just got it up together and all that. But I'm still working my little nicks and crannies out with it. But yeah. But we over here out here sunbathing. She's trying to get a little darker. I'm trying to get a little lighter, so I need to get in the shade. Haley, I don't know what she's trying to do. Look at her.
I like to be a nice, crisp gold color.
Oh.
You know what it reminds me of when SpongeBob and Patrick went tanning?
Hell yeah.
But stay tuned, guys. We get back to y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the motherfucking video. All right. Love you. All right, guys. I know I said I'd get back to y'all, but later on. But my sister's over here taking a shit in a McDonald's bag. Like, are you kidding me? So stay tuned.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Haley. Oh my God. Oh yeah, and by the way, in Kentucky, shitting in a McDonald's bag is totally clear. Like, it's fine, all that. My aunt shit in a McDonald's cup. Like, it's okay. It's okay. And to reassure y'all, we didn't throw it in the water. No, we took it all the way down there near the porta potties where there were bathrooms and threw it away. Like, y'all hear that? Like,
okay, but be honest. Who wants to shit in a porta potty? It already stinks. It's hot in there, and there's flies in there. When I shit, I gotta shit. I ain't about to be in there smacking myself because I just smacked the hell out of myself because there's flies.
Okay, think about that. It's hot as fuck outside. There's flies outside. It's about the same, right? But all right, guys, I'll get back to y'all.
Oh, it's a video.
Just eating our pretzels and goldfish. Check in.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing? I'm at my sister's house. Look at her little nail setup. Like, she's for real doing her thing. What in the world? What is this?
Is it okay if I put Alexandria in your room?
Yeah. Like, hey, Leia, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hey. Wave. No?
Say bye. Show him. Say bye.
Jocelyn right here. You ain't know. Look at her. Actually look like a person today. Look at her. Oh my god.
Okay, you did not.
Your hair usually nappy.
Hey, listen.
Your toes and nails still ain't this. She got all this nail stuff over here. Her toenails ain't even painted. Like.
Okay, it's kind of hard doing my own self. Okay.
No, I understand it.
That's why
But,
people at the nail salon have only one.
I'm gonna get back with you guys when everyone gets here and all that. She can start on her nails. But just trying to show y'all everything. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, guys. Sister made a Jello shot. I did not promote drinking or any sort. This does not have alcohol in it. It's magical juice. Yeah, magical juice. But what flavor is this Jello?
Strawberry, I want to say.
What if like the blue one tastes like strawberry and the red one tastes like blue raspberry?
Hold
I
up.
actually don't even know what flavors I got, so I think I'm all in everything else. So. Nasty.
I could taste it after I kept licking on it. It's good at first, the Jello part good.
Yeah, I think it smells like Jello.
This is my first Jello shot. I mean, it ain't bad. I can taste it. Is this what you put in it?
Yeah, I just got some cheap liquor.
Fuck. It tastes cheap. Oh, Jello shots. What? What you gotta say?
My mom would tell y'all what I did to her. Well, I didn't like do nothing to her, but literally like she was dead asleep, y'all. When I tell, are you recording me?
Yeah.
Oh,
They're gonna be weirded out if you post this on there.
I didn't even know.
She was dead asleep, right? And she's in the middle of us, and she was sitting there like she was dead asleep, like snoring. All of a sudden, all I hear is. So I look down, I'm like, okay, she's sitting there like I don't know if she's like in the sleep playing with her lip or like she's like awake. So like I'm like kicking Bubba like, look, bro. And he's looking, and she like raises up and she's like, duh. But she's staring at something. She's like, duh, 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 and I was like, like I'm freaked out at this point. And then she stands up, y'all. Like I'm literally like no joke, like on Rob, bro. I was literally, I had my mom come get her. Like I was freaked out. She was standing up in the middle of the bed and she was like, duh, 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 duh. I said, Bubba, like I don't know, but I had to go smoke a black. Like I went in the bathroom and locked myself in the bathroom. I called mom. I was like, do you want to watch your lamp? She's like, why? And I was like, because like she literally has freaked me out. Like I'm like not joking. I thought it was the baby, like the baby like possessing my baby. She was like, duh, 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 and she was like just staring in open space. I don't know, I'm gonna get her.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Happy 4th of July. You know, y'all already saw the videos of yesterday, and then here we are today. Today we're getting ready. You know what we're gonna do, get on through our day. Mom and dad back to wash the baby.
You want to see my hair?
And oh, look at her hair. Look at that. Ooh. She's talking about she wants to dye it, but I think it looks beautiful the way it is. You know what I mean? But you better go get some donuts. Damn.
I like it.
But yeah, stay tuned and be ready to be entertained. We about to blow some stuff up tonight. Alright, guys. We done went broke last week, but to go broke this week.
Leave me alone.
Like, I don't understand. And hey guys, I'm selling this Samsung camera. Anybody wants it's the camera I'm using before. It's a really good camera. It has very good quality, zooms in very far. Anybody wants to just hit me up, people that watch this, y'all got my information, so y'all already know where I'm at. If you don't got my information, go ahead in the comments, ask me, and I'll go ahead and send you it. Alright, family, stay safe. Oh yeah, by the way, the camera comes with a 16 gigabyte. Let me see if I can get that focus. Well, y'all can trust me. And here's the camera itself. I'm about to turn it on, show you how it is. Look at my baby. Look at her hair. Oh my god.
I'm about to look cute for these pictures. That's all I care about.
Alright, go ahead, turn that motherfucker on so y'all know what word. Y'all see? I mean, like, I ain't got a laptop no more. So, like, it does switch it to the, like, blue screens and shit. I ain't got a laptop no more, so I can't really use it. But you can, it has, it's a baby monitor. It's all they connect to your phone, to Wi-Fi, emails, and all that. It's top of the line. Samsung also doesn't make cameras anymore. So like, if you want a Samsung camera, go ahead and get you one. You dig? But yeah, here's some more looks and specs of the camera. Charging port, screen. You already know the little ins and outs. I don't know if anybody's gonna buy that, but hey, it's on there, so in case somebody wants it, I paid it like $215 for it. I'll like let it go for about like $150. I really don't care. 75. I don't care. I don't use it. But yeah, this is.
So we got the donuts. Look how pretty they look. She said they didn't have one type of the donuts, but they look all in here, so we're kind of confused. But yeah, I'm excited to try them and eat them. How do you feel about them?
The donuts.
They're well, yeah. He doesn't like sweets, so he's just weird like that. We're gonna try out the limited edition Krispy Kreme donuts.
Ooh. Delicious. Yeah.
Alex doesn't really like sweets, but he's gonna try them out. So he might be a little biased, but then at the same time, I'm probably gonna be biased too because I'll eat any sweets.
Hey, we used to own a bakery that everybody knows, Krispy Kreme Donuts, aka Spirit Bakery. Oh, wee! Best donut hoes in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I don't give a fuck. No one says no, but we're no longer in business. But that wasn't because of y'all. That's because of us. So we ain't gonna speak on that.
That's a different video.
Different video. But we got red, white, and blue donuts. Okay.
And with sprinkles. I think the one that she didn't give us is the jelly-filled ones.
That bitch.
Yeah. He dead-ass touched every donut there is in this already.
All right, which one do you want?
Okay. Oh, I thought we could just break it apart. That's a bit too much donuts. We'll try the white ones first.
Thought you want to make
Oh, hold on. Let's do that thing where you pull it up. It's a donut.
It's a fucking donut.
I don't know how bad you can actually do the donut.
A little too much icing, I ain't gonna lie. They're not even hot. I feel like they've been sitting there for at least a couple hours. Kind of hurts my feelings. But what do you expect?
I'm still eating it though.
I gotta wipe some of that icing off. Like, I'm still wiping it off.
Wait, are these all taste like similar?
I hope not. I mean, they're ripping niggas off.
I'll take your icing. Oh no, one of these have something in the side.
One of them do.
Yeah, I can't remember which one I saw, but like there's something on the inside. Well, we should have looked it up. No? We're just destroying donuts at this point now. Yeah, is it that one? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hold on. Let's do that.
Done. No more.
No more?
No more.
We didn't even try this one.
Too many sweets. My stomach already hurts. Oh, Lordy.
Well, if Alex is done, I guess I'm done too.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you guys in the next little
Segment.
part of the video. Okay, bye.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing? We out here. Got Dakota and his little baby. Ooh, get off my shoes. Oh, I stepped on the shoes. Damn, look at them bitches. All right, we got Ricky right here. Got my right. We out with the fam. Not everyone's here. We're gonna fire some fireworks off. We're gonna let off some rounds, but we gonna record that.
We left the baby. What's the new one?
Yeah, we did. She'll be here around like 6 o'clock. Look at our. Look at this. It's beautiful out here. It really is.
No one's gonna be shitting in McDonald's bags. I promise you that.
Been good. For about damn near a week. He been here though, but ain't been at work. What vacation does to you? Yeah, make you fat. Mm-hmm. Santa Claus. All right, guys. We'll get back to y'all later on. We go buy some fireworks. Bye. This motherfucker.
Got that boom boom vibe. Damn, this camera look nice.
You extra. Did you hit that rubber? Bink. Why that one sound louder? Alright guys, it's about that time. We better go to the fireworks stands. Me and my baby ride. Dad them in this car, Dakota. I think Ricky's with Dakota, I think.
Yeah.
But we better go live it up. You already know how it is. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna get as we go through and we get the inventory. But yeah, stay tuned.
We're gonna get smoke bombs. I'm excited for them.
Smoke bombs. You look good in that little. Damn. Hey, why ain't my baby a model, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Work it, work it, work it. Okay. But alright guys, we gotta head on the road. I get back with y'all when we get back to the crib. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm over here eating my pretzel.
You staying in the car?
I'm over here videotaping.
Oh, sorry. We're right back.
Okay. So, before I was rudely interrupted, I'm over here eating my pretzels. I found them in the car. Don't mind me, I'm starving. But, we pulled up and there's nothing here. Nothing. And now I feel lame because I should have left with them. I really don't see them around. Now I feel awkward. Well, anyway, I'm probably gonna go up there, try to find him. Video record whatever he's doing. And, you know, I guess I'll get back with you soon because Alexander is too busy lighting up fireworks. Okay, so we had to make a little pit stop. Got our fountain drink, energy.
Gotta get me some food. I was hungry. It's a Philly cheesesteak from 5 Star. Bitch, you ain't got no cheese on it. Wow.
I thought he was gonna get potato wedges, so I didn't grab anything to eat. And he got a Philly cheesesteak. Over here not thinking about me.
I thought you were gonna grab some food.
It's okay, I'm not that hungry. Okay, so far we went to 2 places, 2 fireworks stations, and all the fireworks are sold out. Like, we barely got any.
We spent $410 on like maybe 10 items. And usually we'll get like $2,000 worth of fireworks for the price of $500. But our guy even sold out. He had 3 semi-trucks full. Came in this morning and had people waiting there in like 6 a.m. And they were like dragging shit off themselves and buying it. Like, I know we haven't had like our
this shit's crazy
and all that, but I'm like, damn, people are for real out here feeding for the fucking fireworks. Like, I know I'm out here itching for it too, but like, shit, man, I could have saved a brother some.
All I wanted was smoke bombs.
They don't even have
smoke bombs. Who the fuck got all the smoke bombs?
Better hand them bitches in.
Yeah, you better hand it through the camera. Well, when they see this, it'll be like past 4th of July. But like, I'm coming for your ass.
Alright guys, we out here. Yes sir, yes sir. We're about to light out some fireworks. All the fireworks stands that we said before were sold out. So we didn't really get what we wanted.
Yeah, no sparklers.
But we got some mortar shells, so that's what we're gonna do. There's everybody. You see the people. There's Ricky. Oh my god, look at that butt. Alright, stay tuned.
Hi. Thanks, guys, for joining us back. We are back for the... What is it?
Are you trying to have a microphone?
This is a microphone.
Einer with Haley. We're about to do fireworks. Haley, do you have anything to say?
I'm ready for it to go boom, boom, pew, pew. I'm in the ghetto.
Okay, extra ass. Okay, stop, yeah.
Good guy that's carrying fireworks and shit, man. Hey, I supply. Supplier. Yeah, she supplies. Yeah, he be over here capping. I'm sorry, y'all can't really see nothing. We walking, got fireworks in hand. Got golden, big-headed ass carrying some too. He grabbed the fireworks. He's like, let me really gonna shoot him out. I don't know where they headed. Hey, that's what happened. She made me mad. Had to push her. You know how it is. Look at. Look. Don't make me mad next time.
I will put some water on it. I was gonna use alcohol. That's God's thing. You should have kept your ass inside with your kids.
What's your name? Huh? What? What? What's your name? Huh? I like your shirt. Shirt looks nice.
Why?
Because you made me mad. What do you mean? Alright guys, here we go. Turn up. Just a little bit. I had to go with the baby. Damn, how many have y'all turned up already? A bunch. A bunch of the mortar.
I know, I was like, where's Bubby at? He's close.
Well, I had to take care of my baby.
Yeah, I kind of forgot you were a dad for a little bit.
Hold up. Alright guys, I'm gonna change the camera view real quick. What's up guys, how y'all doing? Just got hit by a firework, the bitch blew up on me, hit me. It's all cool though. We got this left, we got a few of these left. I ain't even shot this off. Hey, I'm gonna shoot this one. See what the head is doing. Oh, hell. Where was it at? God damn. What's up guys, how y'all doing? How'd y'all enjoy the little fireworks show? We got our grand finale right here. You already know, network security. 52 shots, 500 grand. That's the finale. We already had one, we shot it earlier. Here's a little loadout. You know, see it, love it. Got a couple of these things, a couple of 500s. What's these? The 500s. Look at all the shells and shit we had. Just the big one, I think, the last one. Yeah, I'm just searching the premises to make sure there's Haley. Searching to make sure we fired everything, which I am positive that we did. So let's get this grand finale on and get this over so we can go. Oh, I was about to say, did we like that one? All right.
You don't like that one?
I don't give a fuck who likes it. Light that puppy up. Yeah, it's Yo, bottle rocket. fire, but I don't know if y'all heard that shit. That shit was dropping shit all near us, bruh. Hey, cut it.
Like thumps too.
Happy motherfucking 4th of July.
I still have this one. Well, it's not even a firework. It's just like a little Roman candle thing.
Roman candle. Well, guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video. I don't think the video is over with, but it might be, so don't hold me to it, alright? So in case it is, thank you for watching. Before we hang up, I'm sorry, I know I said goodbye, but baby, we want to get in the video.
I want to say goodbye to
We had a good 4th of July there. You like the fireworks?
I'm not really a fireworks person.
Get out of here.
I'm not. I watched it.
Well, we ain't got time to listen to her. She said she don't like fireworks.
Listen, I've had a good 4th of July until I fell, and you know.
Oh yeah, look at her knee. Hey, Dr. Alex bandaged her up.
I'm still bleeding.
Yeah. Wasn't the best. I don't get hurt my ears.
Oh, what the hell?
But alright guys, we'll hit you back up. This might be the last bit of the video. I don't know. So goodbye. Have a good time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Well guys, guess we're the cleanup crew also. You know, you pay for the fireworks, everyone gets to sit down and watch for them, and you also gotta clean them up. Well, not even everyone that paid for them. Just